Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to have a plan with me in my Hobonichi weeks. This one is a Hobonichi Mega Weeks in Strawberry Latte, and we will be using this kit called Year Ahead. So stay tuned if you'd like to see how my page looks like after applying these stickers. So let's get going. Okay, so today let's start with the first page. By the way, let me go ahead and show you the kit up close. So this is our New Year kit, one of our New Year kits. We have a second one, and I'm going to use that later in another video. And this is the second page. So if you're new to the shop, this is a Hobonichi Weeks kit, and it fits the Hobonichi Weeks. That is what it's designed for, but you can also use this in another planner if you would choose. So let's go ahead and pull this up. So the sticker that I am pulling up is the date covers. So what this is designed to be is to go over these numbers, these dates. So let me go ahead and put it down. I am just following this space, these lines that have the dates. I'm sorry for my voice, by the way, if you noticed. I have just woken up. And okay, so next I'm going to take this checklist bar and I'm going to put it up here. And it has the background. On the background of this is this champagne glass, and I thought that was really pretty. That's super cute. Okay, and then I have this. I think I'm just going to go ahead and put this up against the day covers. So this is just a strip of sticker. You can use it up here or across the page like this. You can use it on the other side too. So I'm just going to go ahead and, oops, I think I did that wrong. Okay. Yeah, that's much better. Sometimes it's just a pattern and it's more versatile in that way, but of course this is something special because it says Happy New Year! Right, so we have used this much stickers already. We are going to go into our second page. I'm going to take this smaller bottom bar box. This is the left bottom bar. And then I'm going to take this giant box right here. This is going to be the right bottom bar. I am just aligning it with this last line here. Oops, last line here. There we go. So the paper, by the way, if I haven't mentioned, this is the photo white paper, which is glossy white. We also have a cream as well as a matte white. So a cream glossy and a matte white. So this is what we have. I'm going to go ahead and, I was going to say I was going to use the script stickers, but I'm going to go ahead and line these lines first and probably here. And I'm going to use my Pigma Micron. This is my favorite for Hobonichi paper, which is the Moe River paper, and this one is my ruler. It's not very special, but I like it. There you go. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do the same for the other side, but instead of just making a line, I'm actually going to play around with my format. Last time this was my format. So I did not film a plan with me using this, but I did show this in my Hobonichi Weeks Mega setup. So what I did was I sectioned off the weekdays here to write down notes. You can also just extend or make this an extension of this, which I didn't do. Instead, I put down my things to do, like specific things to do for a certain topic. Events that are connected with each other, that trigger each other, go in the same section. And then at the bottom, I have my goals, and here I have my many trackers, and this is my skincare. I might be doing the same in the next page, but I am not sure. how I feel about that. But definitely I want a space for my goals. So maybe I can do this part or up there. I'm gonna line this up. Yeah, I should have planned this out better, but I didn't. There we go. So definitely this is gonna be my goals page, or my goals section. So I'm not gonna line this anymore. Okay, maybe I'll line the top so that it looks better. Okay, and then I'm gonna play around with this. Maybe I need tracker. I do need a tracker. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm gonna just leave that. That looks good. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put pen to paper. And then we're gonna go back and decorate. And I'll be right back. And we're back, and this is what we have so far. So I just put down a few lines here as well as my tracker. So let me show you my tracker. So I just put down a bunch of wellness stuff, and then Monday through Sunday, and then my skincare routine. Now the difference is that I did not write down Monday to Saturday here. I just wrote it down here. I don't know why. I just wanted to switch it up so that it looks different. I could have put skincare here, but I thought that it'd be great to have it separate because it is something that I want to be really, really good at, because I have only a few years until my skin would show signs of aging. Well, I feel like it's showing a lot of signs of aging now. I mean, it's not very dramatic. I don't really have crow's feet in my eyes. I don't have a lot of wrinkles at the moment. But, of course, this is a preventative measure. That's why I want to be really good at my skincare. If you'd like to see what kind of skincare I do, like a skincare page in my planner, go ahead and leave me a comment down below, because that is my new obsession. And then, of course, we have Netflix. It's strange because it's not really a tracker. Instead, I put down Netflix on there so that I can track down the shows that I have watched. I want to watch 2 shows right now that's on Netflix. It's going to be 3 shows on the next week. My priority is Marie Kondo's show. I forgot what that's called, but it's Marie Kondo's show. So, it's going to be KonMari. I love, love, love her. She will, I know, tidy up my life through her inspiring things. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and put down our script stickers that I had intended to do earlier, but I didn't. Oh no! Okay. Be very careful with the script stickers because they are cut very, very close. I think I've said that before in another video, but just a reminder. They're cut very close. What am I doing? Okay, here we go. I think I want to do it like this. Sometimes I do it like this. Oh no, I don't want the Happy New Year to be obstructed by, script stickers. Okay, that's so much better. And then I'm going to put down today and to do. So I'm going to put down today here at the top. That's where I usually put it because these are all today's. Okay, I think this needs a line now that I'm looking at it. So let's take out Pigma Micron. I think if you're in the US, you can get Pigma at Jet Pens. I get my Pigma in my local stationery shops. So it's very accessible for us. And then I'm going to put goals and track here at the bottom. Oh no, just goals because this is tracker. My tracker. Oh no. Oh, it's too much. Did it too much? Oh, pretty. Okay, that's where it's gonna go. My track, and then I'm gonna put goals here. I'm thinking of changing the goal script sticker into something else because I wanted, like here. Is it here? Yeah. So a goal and targets because they're different. You have your weekly goals. Actually, I should be doing, well, I want to have a video that shows what kind of goals it's a yearly goal, a 6-month goal, a 3-month goal, and stuff like that. But I'm still learning. I do have a mentor who had taught me some of these things, and I think it's very useful. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to put down notes, and I'm going to put it right across to do and notes, and they are aligned, so there's symmetry. The only thing not symmetrical is today, but that is fine. Okay, and then I have these, so I'm going to put these here. Why did I move it? I don't know why. So that's like one, oh, I'm sorry. One thing I need to do, because I'm trying to get more productive this week, because it's like easing into a work week. So that's that. I'm gonna put this here. Oh no, I'm gonna put this here. It's gonna go over here, but that's completely fine. Why am I should learn to stop moving the planner. And then I'm gonna take this deco sticker. I'm gonna put it like over here, maybe. Now I think I'm just gonna stick it here, so it doesn't look so lonely. And then this giant clock is gonna be put here. Oh, you can't. Okay, let me see if this will lift. I think this will still lift without lifting the Hobonichi paper. If you're new to Hobonichi, just be very careful. The paper is very sensitive to peeling. So if you put the sticker down and you want to peel it off, just to reposition it, just be very careful. It's not like you can't do it. It's just, a pain. So just be very careful. So because you have that, I'm going to put here. So it has these two. Ta-da! And then I'm going to put this here. This is going to say last day of vacation. Jokes, maybe, I don't know. Then I'm going to put the 2 bars here. Stop moving the planner! The planner is already centered. I'm trying to get better at how I film, because I want it to be a little bit more streamlined. So I'm going to take the dots. This entire block are just dots. And then I'm going to put it here. Oh, that's perfect. Yay! That is so, so good. And I think we are done, except for one thing. Okay, so, oh my gosh, I keep moving it. No, one day I will stop moving the planner while I set things up. So I'm going to take this pen. This is the Tombow pen, and I don't know what else it is. I mean, calligraphy pen, WSBH 150. I think that's the model number. And I'm going to write down here. Ta-da! Okay, so what I did is that the reason why it looks like this is because this is going to be for all the plans of this day, whatever is happening. That's an ant, by ant. And so these are the New Year's Eve plans, as I've written down, so it's connected with this day, and then all the other days are sort of extensions of these days, but not as high ant. Go over there. He's gonna stay here. So any large tasks can go in here. That isn't an event, it's just a task. And all the things, major things that are gonna happen are here. So that is how I have planned or arranged my Hobonichi weeks. Next time, in the next video, we are actually going to plan in the other side of my planner. So this is this week. But in the next video, we're going to be using this kit. It's called Your Year. And we're going to plan in here. So if you'd like to see that, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I post a new video. Now, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And of course, if you like anything that you saw here that I use, like the stickers, specifically the stickers, make sure to check out paperjoyph.com. That is my shop, and we do sell these Hobonichi week specific kit. And these are my empties for today, because my shop motto is no sticker left behind. Okay, and that's it for us today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye!